All right, hello Facebook friends. Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association California Dreaming Tour, presented to you by California Car Cover. Well, we're at our second stop for the day, and we're at Roy Brizios' shop. We've got all the Tri-5s here, all lined up out front, looking great, looking awesome, really representing the cars here. And it was a bit of a drive coming through San Francisco. We'll post some pics and maybe some video of that a little later on. We'll zoom in there on the Brizios there. Everybody's inside, so I decided to kind of poke out here real quick and get a picture of the cars without everybody walking around. So here we go. We're just kind of walking the line here. This gold car is Brizios' car, so that's one of their cars that they've built. Show that they're true to the Tri-5 line. They're known for their street rods, but they're doing Tri-5s as the demand continues. So again, these cars are just very, very popular. We're just like a rolling car show here. And let's step on inside here and take a look here. I'm going to talk a little bit quieter because there's a lot going on, a lot of talking going on here. And here we are. This is where the magic happens. There's a couple of cars here that they're getting ready to deliver. This beautiful coupe here. I just kind of did a test drive on it, got it all shaken down. Nice little sedan over here. And there's a little Danchuk banner there. Looks like we're going to have to get him a new one there, maybe even a bigger one. So, Trisha, if you're watching this, we need to send him some big banners now. Anyways, we'll just kind of meander the way over here. And this is only the beginning of the shop, but these guys have built cars for Eric Clapton and Neil Young and others. So, let me just kind of walk along through here. There's a beautiful black 56 that they're working on. Obviously, this is a working shop, so you can hear some stuff going on. That makes, so there's a lot of noise. So, pardon me. So I'll just try to feed my way through the crowd here as we walk along here. Just another beautiful car. It's just an amazing place. Let's just kind of walk along here, checking it all out. Pardon me. Another 57 up there, up on the rack. Beautiful convertible. And here's some of the cars a little bit more, not quite as long as the other ones we just walked past. So just checking it out here. This is one of the most iconic shops around. This is all the tools of the trade here. Back in there. So let's walk on back where all the pretty stuff is and just taking it in. We're here for about an hour or so. So like I said, we just got here. People are kind of walking around checking out the sites and what's going on and just the awesome work that's going on here. Let's kind of get a little tighter close look at what's going on here. Gentleman's doing some work on the car here right now, so we'll let him do his job here. And come over here. And this is the stuff that dreams are made of. This is where your dreams come true. If you've got the means, these guys really know how to put together a car. It's just incredible. So, anyways, this is Mike from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association's California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover. Stay tuned, and we'll check in later.